Hi guys, I'm Vivian Chan and I'm in Food Network Kitchen and I want to talk to you all about eggs. First up, chicken egg. You guys are familiar with this egg. An average American eats 275 eggs per year. It's a lot of eggs. There are endless possibilities for this little guy. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but of course always included in baking. So let's get cracking. When you're cracking an egg, make sure it's always on a flat surface so no shell goes inside. Excellent. This is a duck egg. It's slightly larger than a chicken egg and it stays fresher than a chicken egg due to its thicker shell. It also has a higher fat content than chicken eggs. It has a richer taste, perfect for pasta doughs. An average duck can lay anywhere from 60 to 300 eggs per year. That's a pretty wide range, but no worries. They're very easy to find. Fun fact, if you have a chicken egg allergy, you can often eat duck eggs with no problem. So let's get cracking. Looks about the same, similar in color, just a little bigger. This is a quail egg. 4 of these little guys equals to 1 chicken egg. An average quail lays about 300 of these eggs each year, so they're a little hard to find. Quail eggs top some of the fanciest foods, steak tartare and past hors d'oeuvres. Quail eggs are super delicate. You can just cut with scissors. Look how little. Ta-da! This is an emu egg. Isn't it cool? The unique color protects them from predators because they're laid in the grass. This egg has a very thick shell. It protects it from extreme weather as well as more predators. One of these eggs feeds 4 people. That's a lot of people. 1 emu egg is equivalent to a dozen chicken eggs. So let's open this guy up. This shell is no joke. It is very thick and I'm sawing through it. Ta-da! That's one big guy. This is an ostrich egg. It's the biggest edible bird egg. 1 egg contains 2,000 calories. That's a lot for an egg. 1 egg is about 25 chicken eggs. That's over 2 dozen eggs. You can feed a lot of people with this. Do you know how long it takes for this egg to fully hard boil? 1.5 hours to 2 hours. That's insanity. Now it's time to open this up. I got a little help. My trusty toolbox. You need a hammer and a screwdriver. You're gonna tap along the sides carefully until you break through. That's a hard job. I see yolk. In the bowl, in the bowl. Got it. I'm giving all of you guys a grade A for an excellent job. I hope you guys have all the egg knowledge you need. For more videos like this one, subscribe to Food Network. Bye guys.